At SafetyQuip, we're often asked to supply full-face respirators to clients working in a range of different industries. One of the most popular is the 3M 6000 series full-face respirator. Many people may not realise that in addition to the respirator being available to purchase separately, like without filters, in a box like this, it can also be supplied in a kit with filters ready to go. The kits are supplied in a storage box. So the storage box is relatively airtight, so the filters can be kept long term in the box. One of the kits is this one. This is the 3M 6835 asbestos and dust respirator kit. So inside the kit there's the mask like this. There's the P3 filter. This is the 6035 P3 filter. There's a couple of sets of filters in the box. This product is often used for obviously asbestos. It could be used for silica, for fiberglassing, and it's often used for masonry applications, for cutting, sawing, drilling, brick, rock, various masonry products. Another kit is this one here. This is the 3M 6851 spraying and painting respirator kit. Now this is supplied with an A1 P2 filter combination. Now that's often used for various paints, can be used for various pesticides and herbicides, and for various solvents like thinners. The 3M 6000 series full face respirators, available separately or in kits. Speak with the team at your local SafetyQuip branch for further information.